YouTubers, travelers. We're out here on the beach of Poipu, just across from Shipwreck, right next to the Hilton Grand Vacation. There he is! Look at him! Oh my gosh, there he is! And there's a big old splishity splash happening that I want to take you over to see. There's a couple different spots, so stay tuned and you just might get splashed. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Poipu Beach, and we just saw a ton of massive turtles.
And a little baby one.
And a baby turtle. And tons of crabs and sardines and wildlife. It's just exhilarating out here. So right outside the Hilton Grand Vacation, there's a big shoreline, and there's just so many massive turtles there. Do you think we should recommend it? 10. Recommended. So right behind me is one of the spots where sometimes there'll be a nice big wave that'll splash right up. But I think the tide has to be just perfect. Oh, there's little salamanders running around here. All right, here's the small one. There it was. I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys around and get you in the air. Here comes a big one. Not that big. Tricked you. Oh yeah. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I would not go swimming out there, even as an advanced diver. These waves are crushing. Here it comes. Boom. Admire this stuff from afar. This is just spectacular Mother Nature at her best. Oh yeah, look at there. Here comes the big dog. Another big dog. You guys, there is so many massive turtles out here just swimming around this coral, but you couldn't scuba here or snorkel. I mean, you'd get slammed into the rocks over and over. But, and, oh, there he is right there. There he is. He's just right down there. I don't know. There he is. Look at him. Oh my gosh. There he is. There's two of them. There's three of them. Oh my, 1, 2, 3. And these guys are just eating all the corals. Oh, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes. There's the big dog right there. Holy smoke. Look at that guy. He's about to come up for air in a second. I know it. Come on, say hi to the camera, Mr. Turtle. Oh my, there he is. Big dog. Here he comes right here. We don't want to get hit by a big old wave, but I just can't help myself. There he is, look at him. He just came up for another fresh breath. Here's another big dog right here. Oh man, we're gonna get splishity splashed. Mr. Turtle's getting thrown around. There he goes, there he goes. Oh, a big one's coming. Here he is right here. As long as I don't get a big splash, we'll be alright. There's another one right there coming for breath. Wow, this is miraculous. Right there.